Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to meet some very special friends. The numbers from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's begin. Here's our first friend, number 1. Say hello, number 1.
Hello, I'm number 1. I stand all alone, but I'm a lot of fun.
Look who's next. It's number 2. Can you say hello, number 2?
Hello, I'm number 2. I come in pairs like 2 shoes or 2 teddy bears, 2 swings.
Hello, I'm number 3. Three's the magic number. Just look at me.
Wow, that's magical, number 3.
Here comes number 4. Say hi, number 4.
Hi, everyone. I'm number 4. I've got 4 corners like a door.
Lovely to meet you, number 4. Wow, it's number 5.
Hello, I'm number 5. Count my 5 apples. I'm alive.
It's a great job, number 5. Now it's number 6. Say hello, number 6.
Hi, I'm number 6. Count to 6. It's a simple fix.
Nice to meet you, number 6. Look, it's number 7. What do you want to say, number 7?
Hello, I'm number 7. I'm lucky, just like a rainbow in heaven.
Lucky to meet you, number 7. Here comes number 8. Say hello, number 8.
Hello, I'm number 8. I'm shaped like 2 circles. Isn't that great?
Great to see you, number 8. Here's number 9. Can you say hello, number 9?
Hello, I'm number 9. I love to shine, just like these kites flying so high.
You're shining bright, number 9. Now it's time for number 10. Say hello, number 10.
Hello, I'm number 10. I'm a 1 and a 0. That's how we begin again.
Wonderful to meet you, number 10.